guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so I'm sure you guys read the title, but in case you didn't get a chance to, today I got for you guys 12 easy, effortless hairstyles that can be achieved in under 5 minutes each. You also don't need really anything to achieve any of these styles. The only things I use are my 10 fingers, that's what I got. Fingers and bobby pins. That's it. I didn't use a comb or a brush or anything, but feel free if you want to accessorize any of these looks, go ahead and add in a bow or a headband or whatever you think will make it a little bit more girly or whatever to your liking. Most of these hairstyles are self-explanatory, so I won't burden you guys with having to listen to my voice for 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is put on some music for you guys, but enjoy. Be sure to pick out your favorite hairstyle and comment in the comments and let me know which ones are your favorite. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy this type of content. That's the only way that myself and YouTube knows that you like this video. As well as you can comment, let me know that you want to see more of these like how to and style videos. But give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. I mean, if you enjoying my hairstyles, you about to rock it, why not be my friend? that's it for this video. I hope that you guys really liked my little cute hairstyles. All of these hairstyles are definitely less than 5 minutes each, so they're great for work or school, you know, or if you're just a busy person, or if you're like me and you just really don't like spending a lot of time in your hair. If you notice, for none of these styles I used a comb or a brush or anything. Of course, if you want any of these styles to be a little bit more chic and a little more put together, feel free to do like slick down your edges and like, you know, make sure everything's a little bit more laid and smooth. But I did more of like a messy, effortless look for pretty much all of these hairstyles. Also, if you are not a part of the family, I would really appreciate it if you guys just, you know, joined in on the fun. I upload on Wednesdays and Fridays, and for now my schedule is a little bit up in the air because I'm sort of working on it. I'm trying a lot of new things like makeup and stuff like that. But I do makeup tutorials, I do hair tutorials, I do a lot of different hair videos like hair care and stuff like that. I do a little bit of skincare. I do vlogs, like pretty much everything, you know. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified every single time I upload a video, so you don't miss anything at all. And that's that little bell that's right next to the subscribe button. Be sure to comment down below after you subscribe so I can know, you know, who's new to the fam and all that, so I can welcome you. But yeah, that's it. Until next time, bye.